I came home from a long day at the art studio, and there he was, my son Donald, standing on a stool in the kitchen, baking. He looked up with such love in his eyes, and I knew it was time. I said, "My son, did you know that baking is only one part of the art of cooking? Tomorrow, go find a rock and I'll teach you to cook by telling you the story of rock soup." That was the day a simple rock became a story. That story became a cooking lesson, and that cooking lesson became a legacy. This book is our offering of that legacy to you and to the world, word by word, page by page, precious memory by precious memory, built with love, seasoned with faith, simmered in character, and stirred with the miracle of sharing. Donald and his beloved wife Cheryl Lynn have lovingly brought this story to life again, handwritten and beautifully illustrated with AI-assisted images, honoring the past while illuminating the present. And now, we're inviting you to be part of that miracle. You can help us share Rock Soup's story with the world by becoming a backer, a believer, a partner in passing on the recipe of love.
Hi, I'm Donald. My dad told me a story called Rock Soup. It wasn't just about soup, it was about helping, sharing, and love. Now, that story's in a real book. We wrote it and drew it with our hearts. But we need your help to print it and send it to kids and families everywhere. Will you help share the love?
After the war, carrying a rock, a pot, and a spoon in my knapsack, and hope for a much-needed meal, I came upon a village in despair. With a rock, some enticement, and the little each had, I showed them that together they had more than enough to feed everyone. This is exactly what this campaign is about. A chance for generous hearts to come together and believe. A chance for you to be part of the miracle too.